Hello guys, welcome to Gate for Geek. So in today's video, I am going to tell you a trick or a way to find number of equivalence relation possible for a given set. So suppose you are given a set 1, 2, 3. Now you have to answer or you have to find number of equivalent relation possible on this set. So this can be found with the help of Bell tree, and I will tell you how to make a Bell tree for a given number. Now the first thing you have to do is see the cardinality of the set. Here the cardinality of the set is, suppose the set is A, so the cardinality of the set is 3. Your cardinality of the set will become Bell number, which will be B3. Now what you have to do is just simply make a Bell tree, and from the Bell tree you have to find the value of B3. Now I am going to tell you how to make a Bell tree. So to make a Bell tree, first write 1. Now the rule to make Bell tree is you have to copy. Now the rule to make Bell tree is to make Bell tree write the last number of the previous row in the next row and add column wise. It will become more clear from the example here. So now in this row the last number is 1, so you have to copy 1 to the next row. After adding 1 you will get 2, so this will be written as next value. Now the last number in this row is 2, which will be copied to next row. This is 2. Now you will add 1 plus 2 is 3, which will come here. So here 1 plus 2 is 3 will come here. Now 2 plus 3 is 5, which will come here. So this is B0, this is B1, this is B2. Now the value of B0 is 1, the value of B1 is 2. The last value of the row is the value of the Bell number for that row, hence the B2 will be 5. Now you have to find B3. So for B3, copy the last number of previous row, which is 5. Now add column wise. 5 plus 2 is 7, which will be the next number. 7 plus 3 is 10, which will be next number. 10 plus 5 is 15, hence the value of B3 is 15. So this is how you just grow up the Bell tree. The next row will be 15 will be copied to here. 15 plus 5 is 20, 20 plus 7 is 27, 27 plus 10 is 37, and 37 plus 15 is 52. Hence Bell number 4 will have value of 52. Now in this question the cardinality of the set is 3, hence what is the value of Bell number 3? It is 15. Hence number of equivalence relation will be 15, which is the answer. Now let's take one more example. Suppose the set B has 5 elements, hence the cardinality of this set will be 5. Now you have to find B5, which will be the value of number of equivalence relation possible for this set. So the B5 will be 52 will be copied here. 52 plus 15 will be 67. 67 plus 20 is 87. 87 plus 27 will be 10. 114. 114 plus 37 will be, it will be 151, and 151 plus 52 will be 203. Hence the value of B5 will be 203, which is the number of equivalence relation possible for a set having 5 elements. Thank you guys. I hope you like the concept explained in this video. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell button. Thank you.